After understanding how ClickBank works, the structure behind campaigns, and why most beginners struggle, a natural question comes up. Is there a system that puts all of this together? Because learning piece by piece is one thing, but following a complete structure is different. In this video, we're going to break down what ClickBank Profit Club is, how it's structured, what it's designed to do, and who it's actually for. No hype, no exaggerated promises, just a clear overview. ClickBank Profit Club is a structured training system focused on affiliate marketing using ClickBank. Instead of random information, it organizes the process step by step, from beginner level to building a complete campaign. Most beginners struggle with where to start, what to do next, how to connect everything. That's the gap. The program is designed to reduce confusion, provide direction, create a clear path. At a structural level, it follows a sequence: foundations, traffic strategies, campaign setup, execution, optimization, step-by-step progression. So, instead of guessing, you follow a process. Inside a system like this, you'll usually find video lessons, step-by-step walkthroughs, strategy explanations, real examples. All organized in order. The goal is not complexity, but clarity. Important to keep expectations realistic. This is not a get-rich-quick system, instant results, automated income without effort. You still need to apply. This type of program is usually best for beginners who feel lost, people tired of random content, those who prefer a clear structure, not for people looking for shortcuts. At the end of the day, the difference is not the platform, it's how the process is organized. Structure reduces mistakes, confusion, wasted time. So, what is ClickBank Profit Club? A structured path. Not magic, not shortcuts, but a way to follow a clear sequence instead of guessing. If you want to see exactly how it's organized, you can check the official page in the description.
And if this helped you, subscribe, because the next video will break it down even deeper.